Wow, what a mess! I do not know where to start.
One at a time.
This is kind of fun.
It's looking better already. Clean toys are easy to find later.
I did it!
Cleanup time is quick to do. Pick up toys, and you can too.